Welcome to River Crossing at Keystone, where you'll find luxury living at its finest. Conveniently located in the heart of Keystone at the Crossing, we offer 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments and townhomes. We're a secluded neighborhood, yet we're in the center of it all. Located in the booming Keystone area, you'll have easy access to upscale shopping at the Fashion Mall and mouth-watering meals at Sullivan's Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, and Maggiano's. Stop into Crate & Barrel for that perfect bedding to give your new home a custom look. Have a savory dinner at Fleming's. Finish your evening off with a great movie at the Keystone Art Cinema. Or take in the vibrant nightlife at Champs Americana. River Crossing at Keystone offers 7 floor plans of updated 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments and townhomes, so that you can make sure you choose the right one for you. Your new home will be move-in ready with our Euro whitewash cabinetry, Moen faucets, garden bathtubs, full-size washer and dryer, expansive walk-in closets, fireplaces, self-cleaning ovens, lofts, sunrooms, master suites, vaulted ceilings, sunken living rooms, custom molding details, and private lakeside views. For your convenience, enjoy free internet access in our business center, located in the clubhouse. In the center of our community, one can take advantage of our 3,000 square foot health club. The club offers racquetball, tanning, free weights, and a variety of cardio equipment, all while enjoying flat-screen televisions. After a good workout, stop by our resort-style pool and lounge on our expansive sun deck overlooking the lake. You'll also notice lakeside picnic and grilling areas, lighted tennis and basketball courts, and of course, an extremely pet-friendly neighborhood. River Crossing offers long and short-term leases as well as furnished corporate apartments. We believe it's the perfect solution for short-term housing or for someone making a transition into our area. We at River Crossing know how to make you feel right at home. We also offer an assortment of concierge services. You'll have private access into your building with our keypad entry, as well as attached and detached garages, package acceptance, valet dry cleaning, 24-hour emergency maintenance, as well as a guest suite and a conference facility available to rent. Want to have some fun? We're only 13 miles from Conseco Fieldhouse, home of the Indiana Pacers, and Lucas Oil Stadium, home of the Indianapolis Colts. Want a good laugh? Check out Morty's Comedy Joint with your friends. If you want something a little more exciting, try Fast Times Indoor Karting. Hit the lanes at Woodland Bowl. These are just a few ideas. Indianapolis is a city full of fun and excitement, and we promise you'll never get bored. Join us for our monthly resident activities, a great way to get to know your neighbors. Once a month, the staff at River Crossing and our amazing residents will meet at local restaurants or nightclubs for a relaxing night out. It's a great way for our residents to get to know each other, but also a great way for us to get to know our residents. River Crossing at Keystone has it all. endless amenities, updated apartments and townhomes, upscale shopping and restaurants right outside your door, and the opportunity to make lifelong memories. Our staff is professional, friendly, and eager to serve the residents of River Crossing. We truly enjoy accommodating our residents and nurturing professional relationships with them. River Crossing at Keystone, luxury living at its finest.